Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable an auto clicker on your iPhone, perfect for games or tasks that require repeated taps. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Switch Control. In the middle of the screen, tap on Switches. You'll see it currently has 0. Select Add New Switch. Tap Screen, then select Full Screen. Under System, choose Tap. This will make the auto clicker tap the screen. Go back and tap on Recipes. Select Create New Recipe and name it something like Auto Clicker Tap. Assign a switch. Choose Full Screen, then select Custom Gesture. Now tap on the screen where you want the auto clicker to click repeatedly. Assign a switch. Choose Full Screen, then select Custom Gesture. Now tap on the screen where you want the auto clicker to click repeatedly. Once you're satisfied with the gesture, hit Save at the top right. Go back to Launch Recipe at the bottom and select Auto Clicker. Return to the Switch Control menu and scroll to the bottom. Tap on Accessibility Shortcut and enable Switch Control. Now you can scroll to the bottom. Tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Enable Switch Control. Now you can triple-click the side button to activate or deactivate the auto clicker. Triple-click the side button to activate the auto clicker recipe. Tap the screen once, and the auto clicker will start tapping in the custom gesture pattern you created. To stop it, triple-click the side button again. This method works in any app or game on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.